This is an SAT practice question, and it's a typical SAT question because you're not really solving anything. Yeah, you are solving, but you're looking at the answers instead of doing the actual problem, and you're solving each answer. So for this one, we want to figure out which one is equivalent to this original problem they have. So what you do is you just solve each one. So I'm going to solve A. And what you do is you find the LCM, which is x plus 9, because that's the only thing there. And then you do 7 times x plus 9 on this side, and then minus 4, because you've already got the x plus 9 down here under the 4. So you don't, it's just minus 4. All right, this gives you, I'm going to distribute 7x plus 63 minus 4 all over x plus 9. Now, when I do this, I get 7x plus 59, and that is not what I need. So I need to get a B. B, I'm going to do the same thing. The LCM is x plus 9. So it's going to be 7 times x plus 9, and then minus 67. So if I distribute, I get 7x plus 63 minus 67 all over x plus 9. And that gives me x minus 7x minus 4 on top and x plus 9 on the bottom. And that's what I want. So it is going to be B, but let's do C and D just to make sure. I'll do C here because it's pretty easy. You just do 7 minus 4 ninths, 9 is LCM. 7 times 9 is 63, minus 4 is 59 over 9. So that's not going to work. D is 7 minus 4 on top, which is 3 over 9, which is 1/3. So that's definitely not it. There's not even any letters in there, so it can't be it. So it does turn out to be B.